Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong dang, ding dong dang. Hello friends, it's morning now and I have brought my 3-tier tray stand display at your service. This is an open invite collaboration hosted by Bumby DIYs and Joan Broody. Their links along with the playlist are all given in the description box, so please check them out and let's get started. My 3-tier tray stand display is on the dining table and is stuffed with coffee, biscuits and snacks. I have DIYed my tray stand with these 3 colorful printed trays. They have lovely flowers on them and I just love them to see them in the morning. Here I have used my cutlery hanger and 2 pieces of plastic rods and this ice cream cup along with 4 buffers. All I have done is attached the 4 buffers on the opposite side of the large tray with the help of glue gun. And then I took the cutlery holder, dismantled it and fixed the base on the center of the tray. Applying some glue on the top of the cutlery holder, I have fixed the second tray. The second tray is being fixed here. This is it. Then taking the ice cream cup and painting it with white, I have inserted the pipe into it. This I have done to hold the third tray. Initially, glue gun is used to fix the pieces together and later they are secured with epoxy. The third and the topmost tray has been fixed. Now it's time to fix the handle. For that I have used the small piece of the plastic rod and have inserted the upper handle of the cutlery ring into it. So my 3-tier tray stand is ready and it's quite sturdy. Now is the time for decoration. So for the decoration I have used the cutlery hanger part which has not been used and I have glued some flowers on it with the help of glue gun. First I am sticking the flowers on the outer circle. When the outer circle will be finished, I will stick flowers on the inner circle too. This is a cute little decoration piece and which I have attached on the base part of the tier tray. I have fixed this on the base part of the tier tray. When it's time for coffee in the morning, I ring this glass bell. Happy morning. This happy morning has been written on an old CD. Breakfast is quite incomplete without cheese for my son, though we all love cheese. So here is my 3-tier tray stand display fully loaded with the requirements of a person to start the day. I have kept it clean and neat and have not jammed up with too many stuffs. Some golden beads have been added to give a glam look. Now this bell is really a great possession which has been gifted to me by my sister-in-law residing in Canada. I love this bell. Thanks for joining me and watching this video. Love to all of you out there.